Hello.
Hello.
And welcome to Porn Tom.
Right, so today we've got a challenge.
A very special challenge.
Wait, a challenge so good that it's good.
What? We're doing the sneezing challenge. Tommy, what are the rules?
Sneezing challenge. Very simple. All you have to do is have a little cotton bud.
Or Q-tip, as Americans call it.
Yes. And basically, the aim of the game is whoever sneezes 5 times in a row, well, 5 times
In total.
they win. But there is a forfeit. Right?
Is there?
Yeah, I just thought of this.
I don't even know what that is.
Yeah?
Okay.
Whoever loses just has to look at the other person just sneezes in their face.
Oh, that's disgusting. That's disgusting.
I think that's quite a good forfeit.
Okay then.
If there wasn't a forfeit, then like you wouldn't want to go for it. You'd be like, yeah, I'm not really there. But now we know there's a
Okay,
forfeit. You'd be like
fine.
sticking out your nose, like
That's fine. That's
poking
fine.
your eye. Really easy to do. Stick it up your nose.
Wiggle it about.
Wiggle it about. Just
Sneeze
wiggle.
5 times, winner.
I've had practice. Just saying. don't you ever do that? You just go into the toilet. You go, I think I want a little sneeze.
No.
You grab a bit of tissue.
What are you talking about?
And you do that, you go, oh. And then you just you sneeze and you're like, that was good. It just makes you do.
Oh, I do it every day. Should we just do it?
Yeah, let's do this, okay?
Q-tips ready. Cotton buds ready.
Cotton buds ready. So, let the game begin.
My nose is itchy already.
In 3, 2, 1, go.
Go.
Okay, come on.
Oh yes, up here building. Oh yes. No! It's not working for me. It's not working. Other one. Other nose. No.
Come on. Two.
It won't work.
Oh my god.
Come on. I'm not even getting the feeling.
I'm crying. I am. Here we go.
You've been practicing.
How many was that out of 3? 2 more, I can do this. There might be a game. No, I'm feeling it coming. Oh my god, I don't feel well.
I can't even do this. You're amazing at this game. Other nostril. I think you're going to win easy. You've got one more to do, haven't you?
Yeah. Come on. That's the spot.
No.
Oh my god.
Wow.
I'm going to change the forfeit. Eat the top of that.
Just go away. Get away from me. Wow. A game
gotta
that
say,
Tommy's really good at.
I feel that was the first challenge I've ever won.
Probably.
Right, so Paul's got to do the forfeit. Let me just have a little bit of drink, just to water everything down.
This is disgusting.
Look directly at me.
Okay. Oh my god.
Okay. I'm actually really proud of myself. This is why are we doing this? Okay. Really easy. If you want to do this at home, you have to stick it up there, right at the top. Just open it, like, just open. Just poke the roof.
Oh my god, what am I doing?
Poke the roof.
What am I doing?
Give it a little shake back and forward.
Sounds like you're gonna heave.
Here we go.
No.
Close your eyes.
Oh my god! Oh my god, it's making me feel sick. That's disgusting. That's disgusting. It's right in my mouth, I think. Ugh.
Oh my god!
No, I need a towel.
His whole face is wet. Oh my god. Well, that was the end of that one, guys. Listen, put in the comments who's proud of me that I've actually won a challenge. Yeah. See you in the next one.